Good day! This is Chan of Chan Limited Life at today, ipapakita natin ang 7 things I like about the 2024 refreshed or facelifted Honda City. Base ito sa walk-around ng test drive na ginawa natin few months ago. Pero bago natin simulan mga ka-Chanli, eto muna!
Let's go!
Kung hindi mo pa napapanood ang walk-around and test drive video ng facelifted 2024 Honda City, pwede mo i-click yung video card sa top right corner ng screen o hintayin sa dulo ng video ang end credit para sa link. 7 things I like about the 2024 refreshed Honda City GN. Number 1. Yokohama Tires. Honda City RS has received a new 16-inch black cut alloy wheels. Mukhang ganito na nga ang nauusong design ng rims ngayon. Mas sporty ang datingan, medyo hawig din ito sa mugs ng Honda City GM6. Pero di lang yan. Honda is generous to equip the City RS with a set of Yokohama tires as stock wheel. Yokohama is a world leader in high-quality, long-lasting, high-performing tires. Kaya for sure, matutuwa dito ang mga future Honda City RS owners. Number 2. Full leather seats. Pre-facelift Honda City RS was suited with the black leather and suede seats. The seats are actually good and comfortable ha. Pero itong bago, naka-full leather seats na. Nilevel up talaga ng Honda. Isa nga ito sa nagustuhan ko sa RS. Unang hawak ko pa lang dito, ramdam ko ng mas premium ang car seats ng 2024 Honda City. Ang sarap lalong upuan. Number 3. Honda Sensing Technology is now standard. Honda Sensing Technology uses a comprehensive detection system to help alert the driver and minimize the risk of accidents and collisions. Honda Sensing provides safety while keeping driving fun. Praise Honda dahil ginawa nilang mas accessible and available ang drive assist technology sa daily driver tulad ng Honda City. Ang good news, all variants including the entry-level E meron na ngayong Honda Sensing technology. Ang pinagtataka ko lang walang reverse camera yung lower variants ng City pero merong Honda Sensing. Anyway, mura lang naman magpakabit ng camera. Ingat lang talaga sa wiring. Number 4. Wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Honda has given the City its wireless connectivity for both Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. This is not a gimmick ha, it actually works. Maganda tong upgrade na to kasi hindi mo na kailangan magdala ng lightning cable, Type-C cable, o bumili ng USB adapter para ma-convert ang infotainment system to wireless Apple CarPlay at Android Auto. Applicable to sa S, V, and RS variants ng Honda City. Before we continue, kung may tanong kayo about the 2024 refreshed Honda City, paki-post lang sa comment section ng video na to ha. Huwag nyo rin kalimutang mag-like and subscribe sa ating Chan Limited Life YouTube channel, TikTok at Facebook page para ma-notify ka sa mga updates. Number 5. Upgraded Instrument Cluster. Honda City now has a 4.2-inch LCD in the instrument cluster with red accents for the RS variant. Full color display na rin ito kaya naman mas immersive na ang pag-navigate dito. Mas marami na rin ngayong settings and new features ang instrument cluster. If you want to know more, i-click nyo lang yung video card sa top right corner ng screen para mapanood nyo ang ginawa nating demo sa bagong instrument cluster ng Honda City. Number 6. New front fascia. The facelifted Honda City gets a new slimmer chrome bar at the front for a more mature and sleeker look. They also decided to give the City a different front grille pattern. Depende yan sa variant ng kotse. Pero one thing is for sure, regardless of the variant na kukunin mo, the City will display its sporty and elegant look. Number 7. New Obsidian Blue Pearl color. Honda City now rock the stunning new blue color called Obsidian Blue Pearl. If I were to choose a color ng Honda City, I will definitely pick this new blue color. Ang ganda! Unfortunately, sa RS and V variant lamang available ang Obsidian Blue Pearl color, kaya you may need to pay a little bit more. Ayun lang! I hope na nakatulong itong video na to. Thank you for watching this vlog. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel, Chalimited Life, and follow my other social media accounts for more related content. Hanggang sa susunod mga ka-chanli, drive safely, ingat!